Good day! We are here to present our business proposal, which is about the materials recovery facility. My name is Sofia Prila.
My name is John Michael Peñardondo.
And I'm Julius Cortez.
So let's start. Our working innovation is about materials recovery facility. So how did we came up with this innovation? One of the major problems in the Philippines that we notice are the environmental issues, especially the improper segregation of waste. So, in our business proposal, we're going to talk about materials recovery's current system, innovation, benefit, and the cost and resources. So, what is MRF and why do we need it? So, MRF is a special facility that receives waste materials and then sort, process, and prepare it as a new raw materials for reprocessing and remanufacturing. So, MRF can be done through manual or mechanical method, which are composed of laborers and different kinds of equipment and machine. MRF is divided into two types, which are the clean and the dirty MRFs. So currently in the Philippines, we do the dirty materials recovery facilities, and the focus of these specialized facilities are the recyclable materials. So what is the current system of MRFs here in the Philippines? So as you can see in this flow chart, the incoming waste will be first undergo registration, going to the receiving area. After going to the receiving area, which is the facility itself, it will be then inspected, and then biodegradables and recyclable materials will be separated. All the biodegradable materials will be delivered to a different materials, while the recyclable materials will be the focus of the MRF. So once the waste materials are inside the MRF, it will now be processed through manual or mechanical method, and then all the trashes will be separated, such as the glass, metals, plastics, papers, or cardboards. After the separation, it will now be stored. It will now be stored into a warehouse for selling. So what is the current system of MRFs in the Philippines? As you can see in this flow chart, all the incoming waste will undergo registration going to the receiving area. In the receiving area, all the biodegradables and recyclable materials will be inspected, and all the biodegradable materials will be separated, all the unusual and bulk items for direct sale or disposal to a landfill. And all the recyclable materials will undergo manual or mechanized sorting. And then all the glasses, metals, plastics, and paper or cardboards will be separated. After the separation, it will now be stored into a warehouse, which will be used for selling to different manufacturing companies. That's it for the current system of MRF. And now, to present our system innovation, here is Mr. Julius Cortez. Thank you.
So this is our revised flow chart for our MRF's facilities. As you can see, it's virtually the same, but it has some differences that would cause great benefits in the future. This is the past flow chart that as you can see, has separated the separation of biodegradable and recyclables. But in our revised flow chart, we already included the separation of biodegradables and recyclables in the inspection that would reduce the time the waste is in the system by more or less 30 to 40%. And yes, that's it for the service innovation of the new flow chart. So now here to present the cost, resources, return of investment, and target audience, here is John Michael Peñardondo.
So here in the cost, resources, and the return of investment, we can see the machines. This is our proposed machines and the quantity that we needed for the MRF, costs, and the total of it. So the annual budget that the MRF is given is 700 million as of this year. Total expenses, as you can see, is right here. ROI is 67.18%. Target company and audience. So these are the different companies that we talked to and that we reached out to that can help and can end needs. Shit. So our target audience are the following: Lionel Waste Management Corporation, Lava Garbage Collection Services, and the Philippine government. So these are the different companies that we have talked to and reached out to that will use and will need our facility and our outcome and the product and the wastes that will come out of the MRF.
Thank you for listening in our innovation.
We hope that you would choose our innovation to improve the current system. So thank you again.